Hi, I'm Dr. Jenny. Are you ready to hear how you can rebuild the world? Take it from here.
Thank you, Dr. Jenny. Hi there, I'm Nancy Bullard, aka Miss B, and I'm a science teacher. In this class, it's loud, sometimes it gets messy, something might blow up. You never know what kind of crazy thing is gonna happen in the science lab, and that's the beauty of it. I grew up with a science teacher as a mom. In fact, my mom was my high school biology teacher. You can probably guess what my favorite school subject was. I loved science. The day in the life of a science teacher is super fun. I teach every kid in the school, so every hour a new class comes into this lab to do experiments. I get to do 6 experiments every day, and the best part of my job is the kids. I love watching them learn new things, and those light bulb moments never get old. My STEAM superpower is creativity. I use creativity in my job during lesson planning. This is not the class where we're opening up a textbook and answering multiple choice questions. I figure out creative ways to make a topic exciting and let students engage in collaborative, hands-on science. How many drops of water do you think can fit on a penny? Let me show you what 1 drop looks like. All right, make a guess. How many total drops do you think will fit? 2, 3, 4, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Oh, okay. Thanks to surface tension, adhesion, and cohesion, pennies can hold more water than you probably thought. How many do you think you can get? STEAM education is important because it teaches valuable transferable skills. No matter what career you want in the future, chances are it's gonna involve STEAM. So it's so important to learn these skills now so you can set your future self up for success. I teach lots of STEAM topics in my classroom. For example, when my students learn about forces in motion and they calculate speed, that's math. When we talk about inherited traits and we draw our own traits, that's art. When we build towers, we try engineering. All the STEAM topics are naturally integrated. During the pandemic, I launched Miss B TV on social media where I posted simple science experiment videos for my students. Now, those videos reach millions of people all over the world. My job is to make science fun, engaging, and accessible for all students. I use a lot of communication. I have to make sure to communicate complex concepts in a way that students will understand every day. I think it's important that students learn from failure, and in this class, we do that from day 1. My very first hypothesis lab teaches students that it's okay to get things wrong and make mistakes. Kids like you are the future, and it's my job to help make sure that you're set up for success in the real world. I hope you were able to learn a little more about my job as a teacher and that you're inspired to explore the endless possibilities in STEAM. Having a STEAM career means you're a problem solver. In my job as an elementary school science teacher, I solve problems every day. I have to come up with creative solutions to teach my students in a way that is safe and fun for everyone. School is a busy place with a lot of moving parts. To manage my workload, I need the right tool for the job, and I could use your help. Can you help build a solution? Great. It's time to design a tool that can help solve a classroom challenge. Here are some ideas to help get you started. Create a timekeeper to help manage time. Design a sorting machine to keep classroom materials organized. Develop an alarm to capture everyone's attention. Or any other ideas that you have that could solve a problem in your classroom. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thank you for watching. As you can see, I absolutely love my job as a science teacher. I can't wait for you to discover or create what you love to do. Let's rebuild the world one small change at a time. Bye, everyone.